Homewood Suites by Hilton is located at Marbella Palm Court in Orlando, and it's considered a Walt Disney World Good Neighbor Hotel. We'll talk about that a little bit later. Take 10 decided to make an impromptu trip to Disney, as we often do, and we were super pleased that our Hilton points were able to be used for our last-minute one-night stay. We were able to snag a one-bedroom suite that honestly upon entry was quite spacious for these two pleasuring gals who really have earned our PhD in combining business and pleasure when in the Orlando area. We were immediately drawn to the nice-sized kitchen, which was fully stocked with anything you might need to enjoy a meal or a snack in your room, from glasses, plates, coffee mugs, and silverware, to even pots and pans for those guests who want to cook in their rooms. That would not be us. The kitchen also had a full-size refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, and cooktop, perfect for those staying multiple nights. If you've been following our resort reviews on the channel, you know one of our first things to check out are any workspace areas, and also the availability of plugs and USB outlets for us to truly pleasure. Gold star for the Homewood Suites by including a full-length mirror. The living space was nicely appointed with a comfortable sofa that also pulls out as a bed, which means this room would nicely accommodate 6 guests total. We love first floor rooms, as no matter how short the trips are, Take 10 rarely travels light. We appreciate the personalized welcome on the TV, talking about our hotel status, and bonus for drawers in the living space. We immediately commented that the bedroom was a nice size, given we're 2 adults who do like to spread out. We are sticklers for a good bathroom, and we loved how bright this one was. From the lighted mirror to the under-counter storage and drawers for our products, we felt this space would work well for our short stay. The closet was a good size with a safe and extra pillows and blankets. We often wear dresses on our trips, and we love the ability to hang up our clothing. The shower tub combo was a standard size and gives family options for little ones who might prefer a bath after a long day in the park. We're brand girls at heart, so the toiletries are really important. Most Hilton properties have started featuring Zero brand. However, this property also included Crabtree and Evelyn, and score on the bonus hook for our robes on the back of the door. Not sure why all hotels don't include this. While we are partial to rooms with no carpet, everything here did look clean and fresh. Under the bed storage is particularly important when traveling for longer or more people with you to be able to store our unpacked suitcases. There was plenty of room underneath. The TV was a nice size, and bonus that it was a smart TV. We love streaming our YouTube, of course, when we're on the road. The bedside lighting was good with multiple plugs and USB outlets, both standard and USB-C. It was a definite plus. We did love the amount of storage space in this room. We typically fully unpack if our stay exceeds 3 to 4 nights. And if we had stayed longer, this amount of storage would have been perfect for us. And of course, a desk and workspace is a must for these 2 remote working gals. And with the proximity of the outlets, we both agreed this room is ideal and desperately what we needed for this quick trip. Overall, the Homewood Suites room would work well for couples and families looking for a comfortable multi-day stay in the Orlando area. We give the space 2 thumbs up. After checking out, we still had several hours of work to do before heading home, so we were on the hunt for good space to park ourselves. You can definitely tell that Homewood Suites has been updated, as everything looked fresh and appealing, from the pretty fireplace decorated for Valentine's Day to the comfortable sitting area to beautiful decor. It felt approachable and inviting for sure. Right off the lobby is the sweet shop, which was fully stocked with all kinds of snacks and goodies, including items you could make in your room like Campbell's soup, which was perfect for the cold weather Florida was having. And just in case you forgot some of those important toiletries or health and wellness items, Homewood Suites has you covered with a variety of complimentary products available. There were several cold beverages for purchase, including the alcoholic kind with a few beers. And who doesn't enjoy a yummy frozen sweet treat after a full day at the parks? We also noticed several Disney touches throughout the lobby, which we definitely appreciated. Of course, coffee is an important part of starting our day, and we were pleased to see complimentary coffee with all the fixings. Nothing like a hot cup of Java before those Zoom and Teams calls. As part of your stay at Homewood Suites, guests are treated to a complimentary hot breakfast, which is served from 6:30 to 9:30 Monday through Friday and 7 to 10 a.m. on the weekends. We also appreciated their call out of the busiest times for breakfast so folks could plan accordingly. There are several hot items included, such as sausage and home-fried potatoes. There's biscuits and gravy, and of course your scrambled eggs. There was plenty of water available, as well as orange juice. We did appreciate the gluten-free muffin option, as that can be hard to find sometimes. There was also bread and bagels available to slice and toast. We even saw flour tortillas for those who want to make a breakfast wrap. We rarely see tortillas on a buffet. And of course, all of your spreads like butter, jellies, cream cheese, peanut butter, and other condiments and seasonings, everything was very well stocked. They also had one of our favorite breakfast items, oatmeal, again with lots of yummy toppings. There was some fruit available to grab and go, and perhaps enjoy later in the parks, as well as a variety of cereals, yogurts, and milk. The overall common space off the lobby for eating and working was surprisingly large, with a variety of table sizes. We are always on the lookout for those tables with plugs nearby, and thankfully we found quite a few. There was even outdoor seating adjacent to the pool area, which was a nice touch for those mild mornings. We could immediately tell this space had been recently updated, and this was confirmed by one of the managers who saw us filming. And bonus, while walking around the common space, we came across the make-your-own Mickey waffle station. We love that special touch as it gives the hotel a true Disney feel. And there were so many yummy sauces and toppings for the waffles, which you don't always see in other properties. And while we didn't film, we did get a good workout in the hotel gym with enough equipment to meet our needs. And as we were on the hunt for the best working space, we uncovered more well-placed plugs. Yes, We believe the Homewood Suites was perfect for our pleasuring needs.